Oh, well, hello, folks. Hey, you know what's missing here? My coffee. I'll be right back. This is likely the last cup of the morning. It's not even hot anymore. Then I'm going to have to brush the brown stains off my teeth because coffee is a little bit dark. And I don't drink it with milk, but I don't think milk helps with the stainage. I think coffee drinkers have to brush their teeth strategically and effectively. But yeah, we all have our cross to bear. It is with great pleasure that I present to you preparing my remote piloted aircraft system.
Alright, hey, how's it going? Here's an audio test. Audio test. Audio test. Hey, how's it going? This is audio test. And I'm scaring the dog.
Airspace. However, here in Canada, we are allowed to fly inside with a drone because that is outside of Transport Canada Authority, and there's no real guidelines there yet. So indoors, in your own property, it's just like throwing knives. You know, you're allowed to do it, just nobody get hurt. I mean, you know, someone's got an apple on their head, you put them to a board, they spin around, they throw knives, and you hit the apple, but not them. You're probably not allowed to do that, but...
I'm going to see if this thing fires up. There you go. Now, I nearly took off for y'all, but I stopped at the last minute because I realized the obstacle protection is on. If I were to fly in this constricted space with the obstacle protection on, it would detect an obstacle and likely fly up and smash itself on the ceiling because it has no sensors to look above. It has sensors to look in front, behind, and below.
Has a great landing routine, but you must turn these off in order to take off. So, I guess I'll do that now.
Well, my good audience of the future times, this is an audio check of the lapel microphone and a really slow memory card by today's video standards, but audio is a smaller file.
There she goes. Can you see it moving? There she goes. She's moving. She's moving. Actually, it's a he. This is Henry, not Henrietta. Henry the drone. They encourage you to name your drone when you're first initially setting it up, just like a computer. So I'm doing all this now, so I don't have to do it when I'm actually on the job tomorrow. The sensor will be calibrated. I do believe I have the proper neutral density filter on there. Get the magnifying glass to see that.
Oh my god, we're still recording. Sorry, it's boring. Oops.